Hey, what's up you guys? As you can see, I have on my mini ears, which means we are going to Disneyland. We just were on the freeway for probably about like an hour and 20 minutes and we wanted to stop by and get something to eat before we headed to the park. And look at how cute. Say what's up, Cree. So tell them they gave us some treats. Isn't that really cool? And then Cairo got some fun things too. She's over here coloring. And you got, no, that's your iPad. You guys, so remember on Mowry's Quick Fix, we did a poll on what kind of Halloween costume that Cairo can wear. And she's not gonna wear her lamb just yet. She's gonna do that tomorrow. We're spending 2 days at Disneyland. But she's wearing her pineapple. Hi. You guys, it's like 100 degrees out here, so I didn't want to put her in the lamb right away. I wanted to put her in the lamb once it got cooler. But so she's wearing her pineapple right now, and she looks so cute. She has her pineapple bow, right, Cairo? And she has on her, hi, say hi. You want to say hi? No. Want to say hi? No? You don't want to say hi. I wanted to show you guys the napkins. No. Look. It's like a tuxedo. But yeah, so we're just gonna eat right now and then we are gonna head to the park and we're gonna catch some shows, which is gonna be a lot of fun. And then tomorrow, my brothers are coming, Tavia and Taj, you guys know them. They are regulars on Quick Fix, huh?
And Isaiah.
Oh yes, and Cree's friend who plays my son on the Netflix show, Family Reunion. But all right, you guys, we're gonna eat and I'll check in with you later. Bye. Cairo. Hi. Go Rowie, go Rowie, go Rowie, go Rowie, go Cree, go Cree, go Cree. Get it, get it, get it. Hey. Yay, Cree. We're here. Yay. Hi, we made it. Cree, do your dance. What is it?
Cree.
Cree, you have to do your dance. Y'all, it is so hot out here. It's like 100 degrees.
I'm in a fan.
October. All right, you guys, so we made it. We are into Disneyland. Are you ready to get to a dance party? Are you, hey, get it, Cree, hey, hey.
We are here.
How close is that to my face?
Not close. Okay, guys, we are going to a hotel. Okay, guys, we are here at Disneyland, and we are in a hotel.
I'm taking over because he just did not do the right thing. So here is one room, which is really cool. We are at Disneyland. I actually like choosing this hotel mainly because it's one of the closest hotels to the park. So you don't have to do much to get into the park. Okay, so there's a really nice balcony, which is really cool. You have some chairs and a table, and then here you can look out, and then if you see way out there, you can actually see the park, which is really cool. So that's one thing that I like about this hotel. So we have this room, which is really cool, and then it has a bathroom. Let's turn on the light here. We have a nice shower, which is awesome. And then we have a conjoining room, and we have a living room area, which is really nice. Hi, Cree, say hi. And then we have another balcony here, which is really cool. And then we have like another cute little nook here. And then we have this room here with Kai Kai. Hi, Kai Kai. Hi, Kai Kai. What's up? What's up, boo boo? What's up? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. Are you having fun? Whee! And now what we're gonna do is we are just going to freshen up. I'm gonna put the kids in another costume and and we are gonna go get something to eat in the park. Okay, bye guys. All right, you guys, so we just walked over to the Disneyland Hotel from our hotel, and Cree is already acting like Spider-Man, climbing all on this car. And there's Cairo in her lamb outfit. Hi, Kai Kai. And Cree, what did you get?
Sugar and pop pie.
And look, it's the face of Mickey Mouse. You want to dive in? Is it good? Whoa. He looks so cute. He's like Spider-Man right now, eating a chicken pot pie. All right, you guys, so we just saw the night show, which was a lot of fun. It was a light show, which was so amazing. And now we are about to get on, what is this, Buzz Lightyear? What is this?
I don't even know.
I don't even know what this ride is, but we are taking advantage because it's really late tonight and there aren't any long lines. So we are about to get on the ride and we are gonna let you guys in on the experience, right? Right, Cree?
Yeah, but not Space Mountain for me. Space Mountain for me.
He's nervous about Space Mountain.
No,
but I'm gonna
because
try to get him on Space Mountain.
No, because guess why?
What?
Because I don't have the energy right now because it's late. And this is the only route that I'm gonna get on. I'm not going on Space Mountain.
Well, we're gonna get on Space Mountain.
But I'm not.
All right, Cree, you ready?
Yeah, you gotta hold on. No.
Okay, we gotta hold on. We're about to take off. So, you guys, the last time...
We're going up.
The last time we got on this ride was when Cree was 4 years old. And how old are you now? 8. So 4 years later, we're on this ride together. Isn't this cool? Oh my gosh, I live for this stuff. I'm getting dizzy, are you? Oh, Cree.
Hold on, Mom.
I'm holding on. Tegan, I'm getting dizzy! Yeah! Okay, focus on the castle! Woohoo! Astro. This is the Astro. Woohoo! Alright, look at that's the castle. So pretty. So pretty at night. Look at that. Alright, you guys, we are now about to get on the teacups. I'm a little nervous. Alright, so let's get on, you want to get on this one? Let's get on this one. You want to get on the blue one?
I'm in the blue one.
Okay, let's do it. You guys, I don't know if I want to do this, but I'm doing this for my son. Ready? Okay.
Here we go.
Here, let's read this. It says, turn this way to go faster. Look at how pretty this is, you guys. No, don't spin it so fast, Cree. Oh my God.
Yeah. I'm gonna turn it back. I'm gonna turn it back, Mama.
Oh my God! All right, you guys, we are calling it tonight. We are heading back to our room. Are you tired?
Yes, and I will see you guys
Tomorrow.
the morning because my best friend Isaiah is gonna come over.
All right, you guys, we are signing off tonight. We will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, today is the day. Look who's here! Hi, Todd. Todd, and Xavier. Isaiah, say hi.
What's up?
We have Isaiah and Cree here, and we are now going to our table. Are you excited, Xavier? Huh?
Juice.
Oh, that, okay, wait, Xavier. So there's the word fire, and then you just introduced me to a new word, juice? Juice. Okay, that means you got energy. All right, guys, so we're getting on our first ride of the day. Cree, are you excited?
Yep. I have no idea what's gonna happen.
Look at that, look at the wheel, that's so cool.
Like we went to the lake with the crowd. And like we would have to stop.
Little nervous there, Isaiah?
I don't know what happened. So
That's the coolest part.
I don't know if I should be scared or not. I think I should be scared because I'm looking up, and that's not a good thing. Oh, he on the edge. I'm on the edge. I'm living on the
In my
edge.
head, I was like, how are they gonna make a movie?
Oh no.
But that's what they needed to do.
It's not what I signed up for.
You gotta put your hands up.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm holding on.
So guys, we're at Disneyland with my boy Isaiah. So,
Hey.
okay.
Does your mom even know you have that?
Nope. Okay. I just love this place. Isaiah.
Hi, Taj.
Hello. Say hello. Right here.
She doesn't care. She's looking at the store.
Cree, where are we now? Star Wars Galaxy Edge. Cairo, did you have a good time? Did you have a good time? All right, you guys, the night's over. All right, did you have a good time, Cree? Cree, did you have a good time? Isaiah, did you have a good time? Taj, did you guys have a good time?
Tired.
You guys, I am pooped. I am no spring chicken anymore, okay? I am so incredibly tired. But we had such a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed us at Disneyland. It was a blast. So I will see you guys next week.